Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to remove or update your relationship status on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC, especially with the new update in place. If you want to keep your profile current, or just prefer to keep that part private, this guide will make the process quick and easy. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look for your profile photo, which you'll find at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your profile page directly. Now that you're on your profile page, navigate over to the About section. This is where you'll find all the personal information you've shared on Facebook, organized into different categories. Inside the About section, scroll down until you see the Family and Relationships tab. Click on it, and it will take you to the area where your relationship status and family details are displayed. Next, look for the Edit icon right next to your current relationship status. It usually looks like a small pencil or a gear icon. Clicking on this will open up the editing options where you can make changes. Once you're editing your relationship information, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Status. You can select single, in a relationship, married, or even remove your status depending on what you prefer. To remove your relationship status completely, simply choose the option that clears it or sets it to none, if available. After adjusting your status to your liking, don't forget to hit the Save button at the bottom of the editing window. This final step ensures your changes are applied and your profile is updated accordingly, and that's it. You've now successfully removed or changed your relationship status on Facebook using the app on your PC. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look, so feel free to update your info anytime you want to keep your profile exactly how you like it. Thanks for watching.